Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video I will be unboxing this neon LED light that I bought off of Amazon, and yeah, they have different designs, but I decided to go with the lightning bolt design. They have different colors to choose from as well, but I went with the blue. And the reason I bought this particular one was because I was looking for a cheap neon LED lights, because the real neon lights are fairly expensive. So this is a cheap one. It cost me around 25 dirhams here in United Arab Emirates, but it should be around like $7 or $8 USD, I guess. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this up. And once we open this, yeah, there's nothing else in the box, so let's keep that aside. And so here is the neon sign, and what I can see is there are two power sources apparently, so either or both will work, whatever you prefer. So this one is for, you can put three AA batteries and you can make it work that way. And here's the switch. Or if you'd like, you can use a USB power source as well. So we can use like a power bank or a computer and all sorts of other stuff like that. So I have a power bank with me right now. Let's see if that works. And once we put it in and power up the power bank, as you can see, it works. So that's great. This works. I don't have AA batteries right now, but I'm sure it will work as well. But yeah, that's great. Two power sources, and the length itself is pretty, it's a decent size, as you can see, compared to the power bank. This is the size. It's not too big, not too small. I think it's a good size. And yeah, it's mostly plasticky, but I mean, it doesn't feel really cheap, it feels good to the touch. It feels decent. And there's also like a hook here, so if you want to hang it over somewhere, so you can do that as well. So yeah, and this is the back side. So this is a brightness check. If you're wondering how bright this neon sign actually gets, yeah, as you can see, it's pretty dark in this room, and the sign looks well lit. It doesn't look too dark, or it doesn't look too bright either, in my opinion. So yeah, that's about it. Doesn't feel too cheap. I think for the price, this is amazing. This is great for the price. And yeah, so I guess that's it for this video. If you liked it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more unboxings. And thanks for watching. Peace.